Let's pack. I thought you were the scissors. I want the pizza man and the scepter man. Oh, I did not get either of them though. I got the king. I think I got it. I think I really like the king. I got it. I finally got the king. I really like it. I really like the king. Is it different? Yeah, it's different. Because I really like the king. And the king is magical and this is true. I don't want to tell you what it's going about. Boo. Oh my gosh. Why is somebody coming flying? Oh, it's not a king. And then we gotta put this blue one here. No. I gotta take his clothes, put it through, put his arms. And then her challenge. Try not to say her for 24 hours. Super hard, because I don't know lots and bark. Oh, no. Oh. Why is it so very hard? I forgot to put a lot of parts. Do this off camera. I popped the head in and both of the hands popped out. That's super crazy, and I don't know what I did, and then I don't know what to do.
Where are the hands, arms?
The arms are right here. And right here.
Oh,
that's Pop Chop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
You always put the arm and the body first?
I put them together, but they snap.
Yeah. Sometimes you need to, and then at the last you plug in the head.
Yay! And then I'm gonna put this part. You forgot to put this part. Oh my gosh! Maybe I'll try this time.
I didn't read the manual. That's why I didn't know you have to put
me too.
So I ask you every time you try to make one.
I'm gonna make the other part.
You need to read the menu first. Okay?
I read the menu. I forgot to give it to you.
Every time you forget the menu, then you miss some parts, right?
Right. Sure. This one is a bit hard.
Yeah, this one is special. How to say in Portuguese?
Muito difícil. You hear my little sister crying? That's not crying. That's just playing. I saw her in my bed. Almost done. Just gonna build this. Now I'm just gonna put the cap on first. The hair. And then plug. Yay. Not yay. I just gotta put the cape and then the sword And then the 2 arm pieces. After the last arm piece, I'm going to struggle. Let's see, how do you put this helmet on? Ow.
Yeah, it looked like a Roman soldier.
It is a soldier.
This come from the Roman.
I pretend to
Empire.
put it on already. Is it his hair anyway? Oh.
I don't think he got hair.
He has hair, but I don't think you're going to put it on like this. I struggle every time I put this thing on. Struggle. Her cake. Yay. I got this Roman soldier and I opened all of them. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget. Oh. There's no more.
Yeah, it's done for today. You got egg figures, right?
Yes. You said I had more.
Yeah, actually we got a whole big pack.
Yes, we have more. So bye.
You want to take a look at the pack?
Sir.
We still have
5 billion, thousand,
we still have a
billion,
lot. That's for
blah,
next
blah.
time, right? It's for next time, right?
And there's other toys too.
Yeah.
And there's no more pink. Okay. Oh my gosh. So bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.